Did you know a mother once ordered her own son's eyes, gouging out to steal his throne? This is the shocking story of Irene of Athens, the only woman to rule the Byzantine Empire alone. When her husband died, Irene became regent for her 10-year-old son, Constantine VI. But as he grew older, she refused to give up power. She used religious fights about holy icons to turn people against him. She made secret deals with palace servants and generals. In 797, Constantine tried to take back his rightful throne. Irene's response was unthinkable. She had her own son dragged to the purple chamber where he was born. There, on her orders, they gouged out his eyes with red-hot irons. He screamed as they blinded him forever. With no male emperor in Constantinople, Pope Leo III saw his chance. He crowned Charlemagne as the new Roman emperor in the West. This split Christianity forever between East and West. Irene got her throne, but a terrible crime changed history. Sometimes the price of power is too high to pay.